let me show you how to remove your YouTube account from other devices. Now, if you're on YouTube, and especially if the history looks strange, there could be someone else logged into your account. I'll show you how to get them off. Now, first, you're just going to go to youtube.com or a YouTube app if you're on an iPhone or an Android. From here, we need to get to your account. So tap on You at the very bottom right. And then you'll be able to see at the very top, it says Google account. You can tap on that and make sure that email address is your Google account associated with the YouTube account that you wanted to check. Now, keep in mind, you can also just go to accounts.google.com. From here, we're going to just tap on security and sign in. And from here, we can scroll down because it'll show us a bunch of information, including your devices. Let's hit manage all devices. This will show every single device that's currently logged in. Let's say I scroll down and you can see, for instance, an Android phone. If you don't recognize any of these devices, all you need to do is use your passkey or sign in again just to confirm that you are the owner of this account. And then you can easily kick that device off of your account just by tapping on the sign out button at the top left. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions.